Hi, my name is Michael. I'm currently working in customer service, and yeah, that's that for that.
Amazing. And tell me how the week's been for you. Have you learned a lot? What are you taking away from this?
It's been an absolutely amazing week. Really enjoyed just being here in the environment. I came here. I wasn't an academy member and just signed up and really enjoying the positivity in the room, the enthusiasm, the energy, and I mean the learning is absolutely mind shattering. But I mean, for me, it's just the ability to be in a room with that many positive people, and really sort of proving that this is viable. This is something that's real.
Amazing. And tell me about Samuel and the team. How have you found working with them?
I found his entire team positive. I mean, it's great to be at an event with a property trainer who's on site, he's running down the aisle. He's there. He's in your face. He's just loud and proud. It's fantastic. And the team that surrounds him and supports him are, again, just positive people, ready to just sort of lend their expertise. Speak to me, who's absolutely nobody to them, but just give me their time and their patience, and their expertise is unbelievable.
Amazing. Cool. Make sure you're looking at me, all right?
Yeah.
And in terms of your journey into property, what's made you get into it?
I just sort of see it as a sort of, I need to do something different in my life. I need to sort of change the trajectory. I've balanced the numbers. I know where my retirement's going to be, and it's wildly inconsequential. So I sort of think, well, that's not going to change, so I'm going to have to change. And that for me was a catalyst to sort of sign up for a £1 crash course and then take it from there.
Amazing. What's the next step for you?
Next step for me is to sit down. I've got meetings with mentors for the rest of the week. We're going to sit down. We're going to run a business plan. We're going to run next steps. We're going to run strategies, and we're just going to talk about how I can turn an idea into a reality. For me, that's invaluable.
Amazing. And any advice to new people trying to get into the property world?
It's cliche, but the best time to get into property was 10 years ago. The second best time to do it is now. I think there's a lot of fear in the media, sort of convincing everyone there's doom and gloom and interest rates are all ridiculous and the rest of it. But now's as good a time as any, and just go for it.
And do you think there's value in coming to the courses and stuff like that?
I think for me, the courses represent a sort of a rational safety net. I mean, I could jump into property by myself, but I know rationally I couldn't do this by myself. And for me, the jumping into the academy is providing me with a network of people who are doing it, who know what they're talking about, who are there to help you and support you and guide you along the way. And I mean, I've got a vision. I know where it wants to be, but I can't see exactly how I'm going to get there. But I know with the academy, I can take each step in turn and it'll work out.